There are a few challenges for the digital disruption of energy. One is a sense of boldness. The first steps to innovation, whether it be digital disruption of energy or otherwise, is taking the first step, carving out some time to be bold, and with that time working out how to be innovative. The second challenge is around a sense of distraction as well. What we see a lot of in the energy sector is that there are multiple regulatory reviews or price reviews or new policies. And what tends to happen is that businesses in the energy sector shift their resources and focus to deal with those types of reviews rather than focus on technological innovation. Our recommendation is to sort of develop a policy-neutral approach to innovation, i.e. developing products and services with global potential that are independent of what happens with the policy, with market, and with pricing. And a third challenge to the digital disruption of energy is a sense of fragmentation and isolation. And what we find is that people often develop new ideas and new technology without being able to talk to others about it. And that comes down to, similar to other sectors, a resistance to change or resistance to changing way of thinking about issues. Those 5 technologies, artificial intelligence, blockchain, big data, cloud, and Internet of Things, present multiple opportunities to businesses in the energy sector. But we don't want to get too caught up on the technologies. Often the technology is the straightforward part. What is more difficult is finding a key unmet need, a customer problem that really needs addressing, and the adoption of those technologies, the integration of those technologies and the combination of those technologies, which is the challenge. But in terms of opportunity from, say, each of those technologies, we might think about blockchain. Blockchain is a double-edged sword for greenhouse gas emissions. In some ways it is contributing to greenhouse gas emissions, and in other ways the authentication that blockchain offers, i.e. the authentication for greenhouse gas emission reductions across the world, offers enormous opportunities in terms of giving everyone confidence that greenhouse gas emissions are being reduced in different parts of the world. Another example would be artificial intelligence, particularly deep neural networks, and how they can be used to reduce energy demand at large, complex industrial plants. And the example there is Google's DeepMind, which reduced energy consumption at an already optimized Google data center by 40%. Our advice for digital energy innovators is to connect with Callaghan Innovation. Our sole purpose in life is to help businesses succeed through technology, and the digital disruption of energy is a key strategic initiative for us. More specifically, connect with the Digital Energy Hub, where you'll be connected with our services, such as innovation programs, research and development capabilities, and grants, as well as events, connections, and advice. And what we're trying to do here is again make this ecosystem more connected and more reliable in terms of connecting with people who are open-minded about what the digital disruption of energy might be and the opportunities for business in it.